Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language of an Seat Tarraco. This one comes from 2023, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. We're gonna use this screen over here. It's a touch screen. Then we're gonna press this button over here. Scroll to the right, go to setting, and as you can see, there is the language area. Just scroll through the menu to the language you desire. Let's say Dutch, and you'll see that it gets loaded, and also the instrument cluster is changed to the Dutch language. Change it back, same way. Let's go back, scroll, screen, English please, English, this one. And that's how you can change the menu language of an Seat Tarraco 2023. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.